Today's episode is very special. Today, I have invited a very good friend of mine. His name is Daniel Brooks. Daniel is an English teacher. But he is not only a teacher. He has taught English in many different countries. So today, I want to talk to Daniel about something very important. Why learning a language feels so difficult, and what really helps learners improve. Before we start, I want to say one thing very clearly. Daniel and I will speak simple English today. We are doing this on purpose. We want you to understand easily. We want you to feel comfortable. So Daniel, welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Thank you, Suleman. I'm very happy to be here. And like Suleman said, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will do my best.
All right, Daniel. I want to start with a big question. Many learners tell me this. Suleman, I study English, I learn words, I watch videos, but I feel stuck. I don't feel progress. Why do so many learners feel stuck?
That is a very good question, Suleman. First, I want everyone listening to know this. If you feel stuck, you are not alone. Feeling stuck is normal. Almost every learner feels this way at some point. I have taught English for many years in different countries, and I can say this clearly. Beginners feel stuck, intermediate learners feel stuck, and even advanced learners feel stuck. So if you feel stuck, it does not mean you are bad at English.
So, Daniel, what is the main reason for this feeling?
One big reason is this. Language learning is not a straight line. A straight line means you improve every day. But real learning goes up and down. Some days you feel confident. Other days you feel confused. Sometimes you understand more. Sometimes you understand less. And sometimes you feel worse than before.
Yes, exactly. Many learners think, why can't I speak today? Why did I forget this word? Why was my English better last week? But this does not mean you are failing.
Exactly. Your brain is working quietly. It is organizing the language. It is building connections. Real progress is happening, even when you cannot see it. So when you feel stuck, stay calm. Keep practicing. Trust the process.
I really like that idea. Learning is not a straight line.
Yes. Another reason learners feel stuck is too much information. There are many apps, videos, teachers, and methods. Learners try everything. They jump from one method to another. This creates confusion. They feel lost. They don't know what to study next.
That's very true. Many learners tell me, I don't know what to focus on. Now, Daniel, I want to talk about something emotional, fear. Many learners say, I understand English, but I'm afraid to speak. Why is fear such a big problem?
Fear is one of the biggest problems in language learning, even bigger than grammar and vocabulary. Learners think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh. If my English is bad, people will judge me. Fear makes the body tense, and when you are afraid, your brain cannot work freely. Because of fear, learners stay silent, even when they know the answer.
I completely agree. You cannot learn to speak if you never speak.
Exactly. Speaking is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning. Children make many mistakes when learning, and nobody laughs at them. But adults want perfect English, and when they cannot be perfect, they feel disappointed.
That's true. But perfect English is not the goal. The real goal is communication. If people understand you, you are successful.
Yes, do not wait to be perfect. Speak now. Make mistakes now. Learn now. Fear tells you to stop. Learning tells you to continue.
Thank you, Daniel. Now let's talk about grammar. Many learners say, I must learn all grammar before speaking.
Grammar is important, but grammar is not everything. Knowing grammar rules does not mean you can speak well. Grammar should be a tool, not a prison. Learn grammar in small parts. Use it in real sentences. Over time, it becomes natural.
Another big problem is vocabulary. Learners say, I learn words, but I forget them.
That happens because learners study words alone. But words need context, sentences, situations, and stories. 5 words used many times are better than 50 words you forget.
Thank you so much, Daniel. This was a very helpful conversation.
My pleasure, Suleman. And to everyone listening, be kind to yourself. You are learning. You are improving.
Thank you for listening to another episode of Mr. Khan English Channel. If you enjoyed this episode, listen again, share it, and remember, slow English, simple English, real progress. Bye for now.